To shop using Klarna Credit, start by selecting the items you want to purchase from your chosen online retailer. Once you have added all the items to your shopping cart, proceed to the checkout page. Look for the Klarna payment option, which is usually listed alongside other payment methods such as credit cards and PayPal. When you select Klarna, you will be prompted to create an account or log in to your existing one. If you are a new user, you will need to provide some personal and financial information, including your name, address, and social security number. This information is used to perform a soft credit check, which will not affect your credit score. Once you have completed the registration process, you will be presented with the payment options available to you. Klarna offers several payment plans, including paying in 4 interest-free installments, paying in 30 days, or financing your purchase over a longer period of 6 to 36 months. Choose the payment plan that best suits your needs and budget. Keep in mind that the longer payment plans may incur interest charges, so make sure you understand the terms and conditions before proceeding. When you have selected your payment plan, review the terms and conditions, including the repayment schedule and any applicable fees. If you are satisfied with the terms, confirm your payment plan and complete the checkout process. You will receive an email from Klarna with the details of your payment plan and repayment schedule. Make sure to review this information carefully and contact Klarna if you have any questions or concerns. To avoid late fees and negative credit reporting, make sure to make your payments on time. You can set up automatic payments or pay manually through the Klarna app or website. It is also a good idea to monitor your account regularly to ensure that your payments are being processed correctly. By following these steps and using Klarna responsibly, you can enjoy the benefits of flexible payment plans and take control of your finances. Remember to always read the terms and conditions carefully and make informed decisions about your payment options.